guys, it's Dalya and welcome back to Trading Flour. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my grandmother's marble cake. Growing up, my grandmother always made this marble cake for basically every single occasion that we had at her house. It's always been sitting on the counter and ready to eat for all of us. So let's get started. Pour all the ingredients into the bowl except for the chocolate syrup. Begin with the flour, sugar, oil, eggs, baking powder, and vanilla extract. Mix this on medium-low speed until combined. Scrape down the sides of the bowl to ensure that all the ingredients are incorporated. In a separate bowl, I'm going to combine chocolate syrup with 1 cup of our cake batter and just mix this all together. I'm going to pour the vanilla cake batter into a 9x13 pan sprayed with baking spray. I know it's not ideal because many people do not like to use aluminum, but this cake really does come out best in this pan. Then you're going to pour the chocolate cake batter all over the top of this. And just use a knife and swirl it in. I did film this recipe actually yesterday using a different pan, and it really just didn't work out. It didn't get fudgy and it didn't puff up like usual, so I'm telling you, this pan is amazing. It really just somehow makes the biggest difference. Place this in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven and bake for about 50 minutes to 1 hour. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you liked it, and subscribe for more videos every Monday. Bye!